Hi, friends. So I'm here to talk about why you should come to the Restoration Retreat. And for those of you who've been before, it's the same deal. We're just changing the name. It used to be called Reinvention Retreat. And then I realized that maybe I'm the only one that loves a reinvention. Not everybody sort of gets into reinvention so much, but restoration, every single woman I know needs a little bit of restoration. So when I think of why I do these retreats, one of the things I think of is the quote, "We are all wonderful, beautiful wrecks. That's what connects us. We are beautifully imperfect." And I think the number one reason I think Restoration Retreat is a great event is because of that connection. Because women come together from all shapes and sizes, in all shapes and sizes, from all walks of life. New moms, moms of toddlers, moms of teenagers, women without children, women whose children are grown and flown, all of those different walks of life come together and they manage to find in one another a commonality that is really just beautiful to witness for me. And for all of them, I think they walk away with a little bit of extra spring in their step because they've had some time to really focus on themselves. The women who come to restoration retreats are seeking connection, they're seeking purpose, they're seeking some time to breathe. They're successful by everybody's standards, except maybe their own. They're busy, they lead full lives, but something is missing, and often it's their own desire. They haven't really taken time in maybe ever, but definitely in a long time to think about what they really want and what makes them feel good. And so the biggest part of Restoration Retreat is that the women who do it and make time for themselves, they leave with a feeling of clarity and connectedness, and there's a community aspect to it and a sense of self that they didn't have when they walked in the door. And that is priceless. The fact that that can happen, in a day is really kind of a miracle to watch. People who come in empty leave full. And that's what I like the best about doing it. And that's why I keep doing it. And that's why I love doing it. And that's why no matter what else I have going on, I will make time to run them. The nitty gritty is that we have a little bit of yoga, a little bit of meditation, and a lot of conversation, a lot of learning, a lot of creating, a lot of fun and laughter, maybe some tears, definitely some openness, and a beautiful, like I said before, connection that is really hard to find in your day-to-day life. If you are new to any of that stuff, if I said yoga and meditation and you went, ooh, understand that my whole sort of MO is how do you do these things that feel out there in a regular, normal, everyday, busy life? If you look at me, I don't look like a yoga teacher. I don't look like somebody who meditates, but I think that I'm able to bring those skills that I've learned at the hands of some amazing teachers into a space that is accessible and easy for anybody to pick up a little. And I'm realistic about what you are facing when you leave this retreat. And so the tips that you'll be given, the practices that you'll try will all be available to you outside of the retreat room and in your regular everyday lives. So don't be afraid. I promise we're so nice. And we are so welcoming of everybody. And we can't wait to see you. It's January 11th. It's in Red Bank, New Jersey. There will be more information on my website. And I am just thrilled and blessed to be able to do it again. And I can't wait to have you there with us this time. And you can check out some of the testimonials on wonderinkwellness.com to see what other women have thought in the past. And we can't wait to see you there. Mark your calendars, buy your tickets. It's very limited space because of the physical space that we're in and the things I like to do in that physical space. So it's a very limited spaces. So get your tickets today. Thank you.